Falak here, and welcome to this VIP lesson. In this video, I'm going to share with you 5 tips to develop a wealthy mindset. The first one is, and the most important one is, to change your money story. What's your money story? Those thoughts you have in your head about money, the things you tell yourself to convince yourself out of doing things or doing certain things that sabotage your financial freedom. For example, when you have this script playing in your head like investing is hard, or making money is hard, or rich people are arrogant, these conversations that you have in your head don't help you gain wealth, because what it is that it's pushing the wealth away. It sounds like you don't want it, and what you think about the most you bring about. So you want to flip that script and talk about money in the way that you want it to be attracted to you. For example, making money can be easy if I learn how. That is a powerful affirmation right there, and you can try it out. The second tip is to visualize your financial goals. See it, and then you can become it. Okay, so now you have a good script going on. So now you want to see yourself becoming that wealthy person, right? Because you cannot go where you can't see, right? It's all about creating that experience for yourself in your mind's eye, so that when your body starts to move towards executing those goals, it's easier because your mind has already experienced it. So your body is simply following you where your mind has been. So it's good to, third tip, practice gratitude, because the more and more you practice gratitude, you are recognizing the things that are abundant in your life. You're recognizing the things that are working well for you in your life. You're saying that it doesn't matter what the economy is saying, it doesn't matter what your bank balance is saying. You're able to point out the little things that happen to you every single day and be grateful for it. This year, I started a gratitude jar, and I've been filling it up every week. And I find that the more and more I focus on the things that bring me joy, that I'm grateful for, what it does is it puts me in a better state of mind to really feel abundant, feel good. And the more and more I feel good and feel abundant, the more and more I'm able to move towards executing my goals with ease and relaxation. So try that out. The fourth tip is to educate yourself, okay? We all agree that school did not teach us about money, okay? And we know that the school curriculum is old, it's backwards, it needs work, it needs to be updated. I mean, people are doing their homeworks with AI now and 3D printers, so technology has advanced a lot of things, and it also needs to catch up with the financial realities, okay? That doesn't mean that, woe is me, they didn't teach me about money in school, so there's nothing I can do. You can take mini courses, there are free courses, there are free videos on YouTube. You can also decide to pay and take advanced courses, right? All you need to do is do a search and start from somewhere. Financial literacy, if you follow Robert Kiyosaki and Kim Kiyosaki, right, I would say that you can read the book Rich Dad Poor Dad. That is a very, very fantastic start to educating yourself about money, okay? So the fifth and final tip is to surround yourself with like-minded people. Listen, even the Bible says that if you surround yourself with fools, he who keeps the company of fools will become a fool. So he who keeps the company of wise people, rich people, will become rich, right? Because it's about energy, and it rubs off, right? It rubs off, because all you'll be hearing is money talks, investments, diversification, trading, income, revenue, profit, loss. And you're hearing all these money terms, and it sparks something in your brain to want to find out what that is. And the more and more you hear it, the more and more it starts to shift your perspective. And so before you know it, you also start to speak that language. And when you start to speak that language, you're rewiring your brain, and then you start to also move accordingly. So I'm sure these 5 tips help. Just take one and start with it. Now, to help you with this, I have designed the CEO's briefcase. And in the CEO's briefcase is the boss